Hello students, in last session we have seen the introduction to the embedded C concepts, variables, keywords, data types, different constants, user-defined constants and built-in constant. Let's see how to use these constants in a basic program. This is built-in LED blink program where we have used this LED underscore built-in, output, low and high, all these are predefined constants. LED built-in which is connected to the pin number 13 of your Arduino board and that is connected to the onboard LED. So first we have to configure this LED built-in as output, and that will be configured by using this pin mode function, and that is declared inside the void setup. Inside the void loop we have to write the process for blinking. First we have to give an active low to the LED built-in, which will be given by using a digital write function. After 1 second of a delay we have to give an active high to the LED built-in. Because of this, all these statements, your LED will be toggle. The same program we are going to write by using a user defined constant, that is LED pin, and it will be given by hash define LED pin, and we can define here pin number 3 to the LED pin variable. So again we have to configure this LED pin as output by using this pin mode function, and we have to declare this is in a void setup. Inside the void loop, the same procedure we are going to do. Instead of LED built-in, we have to write here LED pin, and we can pass here the high to the LED pin. After 1 second of a delay, we will give a low to the LED pin. So it will be a blink the LED. Let's see, this same simulation is on a Tinkercad simulation software. See, this is your tinkercad.com. You can search for www.tinkercad.com where we can simulate all the electronic circuits. Click on a circuit, create your new circuit. Now we are implementing here Arduino based circuit. So search for the component Arduino. Click on this and check here Arduino. Now we can go for the code. Check your code. This is your pin number 13 is connected here. See, the same program we have used here by using LED underscore built-in. Start the simulation. Click on the start simulation. And you can check here the blinking of the LED on your board. Now we can write the same program by using a user defined constant. See, this is hash define LED pin 3. Replace this LED built-in with LED pin. Our code is ready. Now we have to connect the LED to our Arduino board to the pin number 3. So we have to search for the component LED. Take here LED and then resistor, current limiting resistor. Let's connect to the anode. Second terminal of the resistor we have to connect to the pin number 3. And the cathode you have to connect to the ground. Now we can see our code. Our LED is connected to the pin number 3. Now you start the simulation for this. You can check here the on off LED on your Arduino board which is connected to the pin number 3.